Hello everyone, today we are going to making banana bread. Those are the dry ingredients and this is the wet ingredients. I use two separate bowls to mix them. First is the dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Just gently mix them. Put it aside. Now I have 3 big ripe banana. You use a masher to mash it. If you don't, you can use a spoon or fork. They all works very well. 2 big large eggs. Put into the banana. 1/2 cup of coconut oil melted, or if you don't have coconut oil, you can use butter as well. 1 teaspoon vanilla extra, optional. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Mix all the liquid ingredients. Put the dry ingredients slowly with small amount and mix well with the wet ingredients together. If you like moisturized banana bread, you can add some milk, but don't add too much. So I put 40 milliliter just to try it. Once the batter or the texture are like this, you will get very moisture banana bread. And now I'm going to add some nuts, whatever nuts you like, and mix them. Now I'm going to transfer the batter into a container with a parchment paper. On top, I'm going to put some almond flake. The oven is ready. I'm going to put it in for 60 minutes under 350 Fahrenheit. After 60 minutes, take off from the oven. Use a toothpick. It come out clean. So it's ready. I just put it in the cooling rack, let it cool down. It's very crunchy outside and soft moisture inside. Thank you for watching. See you next time.